Hi everyone and welcome to Cuebids. I'm Emmanuel and today we're going to learn the core concepts. How to set up a practice session, how the scoring system works, and how you can compare and learn from other players on Cuebids.com. Once you've created your account, you'll be in the onboarding and here it's going to say welcome Emmanuel, and obviously for you it's going to say something else and not Emmanuel. First step is check settings, and we can skip this step, but we might as well go on to the settings and have a look. Click on display to change how the cards look, for instance. You can cycle through different styles, like this classic style, or the diagram, or the modern one, which is my preference, so I will stick to the modern one. However, I will increase the size a little bit. Like that, and then save. Next, it's time to do some bidding. And here we have this convenience button, start bidding with Leah, that will throw you instantly into a session. And here we are in the session, and there are 3 deals, number 1, 2 and 3. And they are highlighted in red, which means it's my turn to bid. You can also tell that by this little bell icon on the right hand side. And like it says here, click on a deal to navigate to it. So I can click on one of these and that will bring me straight to the action. So here we are in hand number 1. I am north with 5 hearts and 4 clubs. With 11 points, it's on the bad side, but still an opening bid for me. So I'll open 1 heart by clicking here. Now we have to wait for partner. Luckily we are playing with a bot this time, so we don't have to wait for long. But if this was with my regular partner or a friend, we don't know how long it will take. But one of the beauties of Cuebids is this asynchronous bidding. We can navigate to other boards in the session and bid them before getting the first one back. We will finish all of the boards, and partner will receive a notification on their phone if they're using it, and that, okay, it's your turn to bid. They go in and they finish all their hands, and then we get a notification, it's your turn. Partner bid all of the boards. So that's super convenient. You don't have to wait for partner, you just bid when it fits you, fits your schedule. And but this time we are playing with Leah, the bot, and they have responded. They have responded with 3 diamond, which means it's a Bergen race, which means it's a game try, showing at least 4 hearts and interesting game. Well, we have 11 points, definitely a minimum of our range, so we will only bid 3 hearts. We'll wait on Leah and see what happens. Leah, of course, passed, so we ended up in 3 hearts. And here is the result screen. You can see that the best contract is 1 heart, but that's going to be super hard to land because obviously partner wants to race with his 9 count. Let us highlight this center. This is interesting. This is where we have the feedback system of Cuebids. There are 3 stars here, and that represents how well you did. It's a rating system. You can get everything from 0 stars up to 3 stars and all of the half stars in between. So 3 stars is a maximum, and that's what we got here. The reason is that 3 hearts is a great contract. And if we click on this contract list, we can see other contracts, and we can see that 4 hearts would only give 2 stars. And the reason is that 4 hearts is of course in danger of going down. We are definitely losing to the ace and king of diamonds, definitely to the ace of hearts, and then potentially to the king of spades and the queen of hearts. So we need a lot of luck to make 4 hearts. Finally, we can click on the compare button and we can see how everyone else did on this board. We can see how our friends did, we can see how the pros did, or we can just browse among all of the other players. For instance, I might be interested in how people stopped in 2 hearts when we obviously stopped in 3. And we can see that their partner didn't raise with a Bergen raise. Maybe they decided that 2 hearts was enough on this hand, or maybe they don't even play Bergen races and they play 2 hearts constructive or something else. I can browse through all of the players and I can find, maybe I find someone that I know, like these guys. I know them from Sweden, and here I can see how they bid. They alerted 2 hearts being a constructive bid, showing 8 to 11 with 3 card support. So thanks to their system, they managed to stay low in 2 hearts. Now, how does the scoring system actually work here? We analyze every single contract and we try to gauge how likely is it that it'll make and what's the reward if it makes. Once we've done that, we can rank them all, and then we can see what did you bid compared to the best possible contract. If your bid rates to be close enough, or actually is the best contract, then of course you'll get 3 stars. But the further away you go, the less stars you make. Let's finish up by bidding the other boards in this session. We can click this next button to get to the first available spot, that it's our turn. And here we have 12 count and it's gone pass, pass, pass. Let's open this 1 heart as well. Let's see what partner does. They bid 2 clubs, Drury, small game try. But since we are limited to 12, I think we will avoid game this time. Just bid minimum range again. Leah passed, and here we are. 3 stars again, great contract. Very happy with that. Let's bid the last board as well. Partner opened 1 no trump, 15 to 17. Let's bid Stayman and hope that partner has a heart fit for us. They did not. 2 diamonds, denying any major. I will bid 3 diamonds. I could just bid 3 no, I guess. I guess actually I will just bid 3 no with this hand. But you could definitely consider bidding 3 diamonds as well, but I think our honors are in the black suits. Call for me to bid 3 diamonds. Yeah, we can see that 3 no trump was the best contract. Let's have a look. 5 diamond was playable as well. Only losing some points, but still good. Good enough for 3. But you have to bid game at least. And yeah, that's it. So now that we click this button, we get back to the overview where we have all of the boards in this first session. And that's it. You learned the core concepts of Cuebids. I hope you're interested and want to give it a try. Cuebids is available at cuebids.com, but also on Android and iPhones. If you want to learn more, make sure you follow and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.